Hi everyone, welcome to Chinese Pod. My name's Fiona.
And my name's Gwilym.
In today's elementary lesson, we're going to learn how to accept or receive a parcel and what you need to say on the phone.
Yeah, very important. If you're buying stuff online, you need to know how to pick up a telephone and let the person in. So any key words we need to know? I'm guessing parcel or package.
包裹 包裹 And you might have picked the express delivery option, in which case you might also hear 快递 快递 for express post.
快 being fast and 递 meaning to deliver.
That's right. Well, let's listen to the dialogue first, and you guys try and see if you can get a gist of what's going on. And not to worry, we'll go over in detail in the discussion.
好的。
喂，请问是马小姐吗？有你的快递。
是，我就是。
你怎么一直不接电话？我等你等了10分钟了。
不好意思，让你等这么久，刚刚在忙。
有你的包裹，跟您收399，麻烦您下来拿。
没问题，我化个妆马上下去。
化妆？不会吧？
第二遍。
喂，请问是马小姐吗？有你的快递。
是，我就是。
你怎么一直不接电话？我等你等了10分钟了。
不好意思，让你等这么久，刚刚在忙。
有你的包裹，跟您收399，麻烦您下来拿。
没问题，我化个妆马上下去。
化妆？不会吧？
第三遍。
喂，请问是马小姐吗？有你的快递。
是，我就是。
你怎么一直不接电话？我等你等了10分钟了。
不好意思，让你等这么久，刚刚在忙。
有你的包裹，跟您收399，麻烦您下来拿。
没问题，我化个妆马上下去。
化妆？不会吧？
Translations.
喂，请问是马小姐吗？
Hi, is that Miss Ma?
有你的快递。
There is a parcel for you.
喂，请问是马小姐吗？有你的快递。
Hi, is that Miss Ma? There's a package for you.
是，我就是。
Yep, that's me.
是，我就是。
That's exactly right.
你怎么一直不接电话？
How come you haven't picked up your phone?
我等你等了10分钟了。
I've been waiting for you for over 10 minutes.
你怎么一直不接电话？我等你等了10分钟了。
How come you've not been picking up your phone? I've already been waiting 10 minutes and more.
不好意思让你等这么久。
Sorry to keep you waiting for so long.
刚刚在忙。
I was just busy.
不好意思让你等这么久。刚刚在忙。
Sorry to keep you waiting for so long. I've been busy.
有你的包裹。
It's your parcel.
跟您收399。
I need to get $399 off you.
麻烦您下来拿。
Could you please come down and collect it?
有你的包裹，跟您收399。麻烦您下来拿。
It's your parcel. I need to take $399 off you, so could you please come down and receive it?
没问题，我化个妆，马上下去。
No problem. I'll just pop on some makeup and come down.
没问题，我化个妆，马上下去。
No problem. I'm just going to pop on some makeup and go down.
化妆？不会吧？
Putting on makeup? That's not possible.
化妆？不会吧？
That's not possible. So how do we start a telephone call? We say, hello, is that blah, blah, blah?
喂 So that's the telephone Chinese hello. 请问是马小姐吗？
May I ask, 请问, is that Miss Ma?
Or Ms. Ma.
Yeah, Ma is the word for a horse, but it's also a very common Chinese surname.
Right? 喂，请问是詹先生吗？
Is that Mr. James?
And you would say,
我就是。
没错 Yes, that's me. 喂，你好，请问是田小姐吗？是，我就是。So these are some very common phrases that I would actually suggest just memorizing. They're just great set phrases. So when someone calls you, This is so instead when someone calls you, you're just looking at the phone ringing and you don't want to pick it up. Now you have some phrases that you can use to pick up the phone.
Now he's ringing up because he's got her delivery. So here we have the word for an express parcel.
快递,快递. This is a very useful term to learn. It's express mail. This could be air mail, any kind of express parcel. We only know that it's a parcel because later on we find out it's an actual 包裹. We know she has a parcel. So this could be a letter at this point if she was expecting a letter. So it could be a parcel or a letter, but the term means express mail. 快递.
And this works as both a verb and a noun.
That's
so
right.
if you go to the post office, you can say, I want fast delivery.
没错. Yes, so when you're at the post office, you can say 我要寄快递. I want to post at an express speed.
Okay. Now, obviously, she says, yeah, that's me. And now he's a bit angry. He's like, how come you've not been picking up your telephone?
Okay, first let's figure out the phrase to pick up the telephone. Telephone is 电话. 接电话 is to receive or to pick up the phone call, and 不接电话 is when you're not picking up the telephone. 一直不接电话, continuously not pick up the phone. Maybe I keep on seeing your phone ring, Willem, and I'm like, Willem, 你为什么一直不接电话?
Why aren't you picking up your phone? And I would say, because it's my wife. Now this 一直 means continuously, continually, in a row. In this sentence, it doesn't translate that well, but it suggests that they've phoned several times.
That's right. And he says he's been waiting for 10 minutes. 我等你等了10分钟. Let me repeat that one more time. 我等你
I've been waiting for
等
you.
了10分钟. I've been waiting for you, waiting for 10 minutes.
So the duplication of the verb 等, to wait, suggests, well, it's emphasis, he's been waiting, he's still waiting.
I've been waiting for 10 minutes, and I've been waiting for you for 10 minutes. So it just adds a bit more emphasis. 我等你等了10分钟.
Now can you explain these two le's here?
No problem. 我等你等了. So here it's a completed action. I've been waiting for you, right? I've been waiting for you. 10分钟了. This is the second le, is for emphasis, like 太棒了,太好了, that le. Right? So he's like, I've been waiting for you, action complete, for 10 minutes, come on.
Okay, so the action complete would be like, he's waited, but he's still waiting, because it's like the emphasis at the end, le.
Exactly, right. Now we have a great phrase if you're often late. If you're often late to things, memorize this line. 不好意思,让你等这么久.
Okay, break that down.
Okay.
I'm sorry, or excuse me.
不好意思,不好意思.
This 让 means to make. So in this case, make you wait.
Yeah, to make or to let you wait. I mean, in English, you would just translate it as sorry to keep you waiting. But in Chinese, it's, I'm so sorry to let you wait for so long. 不好意思,让你等这么久. Very worth learning if you've made an appointment and you've turned up late. Now, if you want to throw in an excuse, 刚刚在忙.
I was just busy.
Yeah, I was just so busy. 刚刚在忙,真不好意思让你等这么久.
Now she says 在忙. Could you say 很忙, like very busy?
You could, in the overall context, it wouldn't make any difference, right? You're just explaining that you were busy before. But the two are slightly different. If you said 刚刚很忙, oh, it was so busy before. You could be just talking about the situation as a whole. Maybe it was very busy at the office or at home, right? Oh, it's just chaos at home. But if you say 刚刚在忙, the focus is more on yourself. You were the one that was busying around. The 在 has the sense of kind of like an ing, where I was the one busying around. But if you said 很忙, could be the general situation.
So she is probably just pottering around, doing some stuff in the house.
Yeah. But for you guys, don't worry about it. 很忙,在忙, both are okay. They both generally mean the same things. But if you want to focus on yourself, saying I was the one that was busying around, you can say 刚刚在忙.
Now we learn the word for a parcel or package, and that is a 包裹.
包 to wrap, 果, kind of the parcel, right? 包裹
And the measure word for that is 个. How about if it was a letter?
一封信
Okay, so the measure word is 封 and 信, X-I-N, fourth tone.
for a letter. Now he's like back to business, right? After complaining that he's been waiting for 10 minutes. He's like, well, there's a parcel for you. It will cost you $399. 跟您收399元.
Now we have a slightly strange structure where he says, I want to collect $399 from you.
Why do you find it strange, Willem?
Because 跟, you might know it as with, but it also
Right.
means from. So it doesn't mean I want to with you collect the money.
Right.
It means from you receive or collect money.
I see your problem now. Yes, so 跟 is often used as with. 我跟 Gwilym, me and Gwilym, we go do something together, right? 我跟 Gwilym 去看电影, me and Gwilym go together to watch a film. But in this case, it's from. I from you receive this money. 跟您收399元. Or it's kind of like 我跟老师学中文. You're not learning Chinese with your teacher. You're learning Chinese from your teacher.
So this is very much context specific.
But it is a very common usage to be used as from, this concept of receiving something or giving something to someone.
So the verb show is anything coming inwards to collect, to
Yeah.
receive.
Yeah. And he's the one receiving, all right? 跟您收399元. 麻烦您下来拿.
Could you come down and pick it up? 麻烦你, which means sorry to bother you.
Yes. So, 麻烦 is often used as being troublesome, but it's actually a very useful phrase to be like, 不好意思,麻烦你了.
Kind of could you turn off the light?
Could you please do this? It's a very useful and polite way to say, oh, could you please do something, right? In this case, it's could you come down and collect it? And she says, 我马上下去. I'll be down in a second. But she has to do something first. What is that?
Put on makeup.
化妆. 化妆 is a VO compound, right? So you can separate it. And that's why she says, 化个妆. Now, why do we throw in a little g in between certain verbs, Gwilym?
I remember this from going to the toilet lesson.
We'll link that in the lesson description if you want to learn how to make things sound a bit lighter in Chinese, right?
Yeah, so if you want to just pop to the toilet or pop on some makeup, do something casually, quickly.
Yes.
You just put a g between the verb and the object.
Right. So in this case, it's 化个妆. Oh, I'll just quickly put on some makeup. Gwilym, 我化个妆,马上下去, right?
Gwilym, I'll just pop on some makeup and come down. So
A very common example is, Gwilym, 我们去喝个咖啡吧.
Let's go have a quick cuppa of coffee.
Quick cup of- Yeah. So any kind of verb that you want to make it sound a bit more relaxed.
And the
just add a
toilet
go.
one?
上个厕所.
Verb 上个 toilet. Now, having heard that she's going to first put on makeup just to receive a package, he says, makeup? Is that possible? How is that possible?
不会吧? No way.
So when would you use this? I'm imagining you're lining up for the cinema and the person in front of you gets the last ticket and then you're like, oh,
Oh, come on. Like when you want to be like that, you can use 不会吧?不会真的是这样吧? It's not actually like this, is it? That's actually the full implication of the sentence. But you're just saying the front bit. You're like, 不会吧? Or maybe you've just stepped outside. You're ready to leave your apartment.
a bird poos on you.
I was gonna say it just starts raining, but in either, because I think if a bird pooed on me, I wouldn't say that. But if it suddenly starts raining, you could be like, 不会吧? It's basically an alternative to swearing.
Yeah, and if you want to see a swearing episode, click here.
To watch our Road Rage Chinese episode. But yeah, I'm already imagining the bird pooed. You can be like, 不会吧? This is the worst ever.
Okay, well, how about we listen to the dialogue 3 more times and we'll see you in a bit.
All right.
喂，请问是马小姐吗？有你的快递。
是我就是。
你怎么一直不接电话？我等你等了10分钟了。
不好意思，让你等这么久，刚刚在忙。
有你的包裹，跟您收399，麻烦您下来拿。
没问题，我化个妆马上下去。
化妆？不会吧？
第二遍。
喂，请问是马小姐吗？有你的快递。
是，我就是。
你怎么一直不接电话？我等你等了10分钟了。
不好意思，让你等这么久，刚刚在忙。
有你的包裹，跟您收399，麻烦您下来拿。
没问题，我化个妆马上下去。
化妆？不会吧？
第三遍。
喂，请问是马小姐吗？有你的快递。
是，我就是。
你怎么一直不接电话？我等你等了10分钟了。
不好意思，让你等这么久，刚刚在忙。
有你的包裹，跟您收399，麻烦您下来拿。
没问题，我化个妆马上下去。
化妆？不会吧
Okay, so now we've heard the dialogue, a quick revision of some of the key things we've learned.
Okay, so very important. 快递 for.
Express delivery or a fast package.
And what is the term for package? That is 包裹.
And how about if you're often late, what phrase can you say to say sorry?
You can say 不好意思让你等这么久. And if you want to add a little explanation, you can just say 刚刚在忙. Oh, I was busy. I was
I was
busy.
busy and around.
Yes, that's right.
Finally, the word for to put on makeup.
化妆. 我现在化个妆. I'm just going to pop on some quick makeup.
And finally, when you want to say, that's not possible, how can it be that?
不会吧? This is a great phrase. Definitely learn this. So next time a bird poos on you, it suddenly starts raining, the person buys the last cinema ticket, you can say,
不会吧?
好，希望你喜欢我们今天的课程. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson. We'll see you again next time. 下次见，再见。
Bye bye.